This video will show you how to make edits to an existing giving batch in Sunergo Church Tools. You will also learn how to post the batch. To make edits to a batch, first we need to find it. From the dashboard, click Giving. Select Gift Entry. You can search by date, category, or other criteria. Click Search. In previous videos, we showed you how to create a giving batch and how to add gifts to the batch. Now we'll show you how to make edits to a batch. Until you post a batch, you can make changes to it. Posting a batch creates a permanent record which cannot be undone. So, it's a good idea to wait a few weeks between creating a batch and posting it, in case you catch any mistakes or need to make changes. Batches do have to be posted eventually so that gifts can be receipted. Any gift in an unposted batch will not be included in a gift receipt. Unposted batches are easy to find because Sunergo automatically sorts unposted batches to the top of the list. We want to edit the October 22nd giving batch, so let's find it in the list and select the batch. Click View Batch Contents. You can edit the details of any gift by selecting the donor's name. When I entered Samantha's donation, I selected check as the payment type. Let's imagine that that was incorrect and that Samantha actually sent her donation to the church by e-transfer. To edit the gift, select the donor's name. Make the correction and then click Save. Now, let's return to the Batch Options screen. Once you have confirmed all the details of a giving batch are correct, you can post the batch and make it a permanent record. There are two ways to post a batch. From the Batch Options screen, select Post Batch. Remembering that this step cannot be undone, click Post Batch. And that batch is now permanently recorded. You can see that we have landed back on the Find a Batch screen. Now, let's look at the second way to post a batch. Let's click Search and find another batch that is ready to be posted. Let's choose this one, October 15th. Post Batch. And once again, I'm going to post the batch. Once you post a batch, it cannot be undone. However, if you discover a mistake after a giving batch is posted, it is possible to correct it. This is done by creating a correcting batch. Watch our next video to learn how to do that. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Sunergo tutorials.